We're doing it. We're going back in the room. Dun, dun, dun! I literally haven't been in here for months. We're not talking about it. I think I'm finally ready to enter my makeup era again. But in order to be in that right mental state, we have to clean up this space. For everybody that's been keeping up with me on TikTok, love you so much. But I cannot keep my YouTube girlies hanging anymore. So I'm dusting off the camera. We're gonna try and remember how to do this thing. But I'm not gonna yap much. We're just gonna do and not talk about it. What's that saying? You're moving in silence. I need to do that more because I just swear I'll do things up and down and then I let people down. But I'm gonna move in silence. Shh. Let's get started. Charles can't even set the tripod up because there's just so much product all over the ground. I'm not even on so many PR lists anymore because I stopped doing makeup for the longest time. And this has just still been accumulated. It's like kind of a dream because I could almost like swim in all of this makeup, but it's also just a lot and very overwhelming. I think the best way to tackle it all is to just start categorizing things by product type and then go from there. I need backup.
Okay.
Ooh, I forgot to put on my engagement ring. Can you go get it? You gotta re-propose to me with it because the YouTube fam might have missed out on that.
Okay. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will. Oh, thank you. What product do you know?
I don't know any of this.
Lipsticks. You know, like lip products, right?
No.
Yes, you do. I'll do like skincare in here. Prince wants to help.
Good boy.
Progress so far. There's a method to the madness. Foundations in there, brushes and tools, setting sprays and primers, lip products, powders, random bags for PR.
No, that's lip. This is lip. This is lip pencil.
This is Charles's section here.
I
He doesn't know what's going on. And then that whole section is skincare and hair care. We've already filled up one full garbage bag. That took us how long would you say? 40 minutes just to sort through everything initially. Now we're gonna go through each section and further categorize it by what we want to keep, what we want to give away, and other. Then we can start putting it into the collection, which by the way, I need to go through all of that stuff and declutter as well, but I feel like that's gonna be an as you go thing. These are all just cute bags and stuff. We'll put those in this bin. Look at this Huda Beauty one. It just is like never ending. There's so many bags in there, which I think would be nice for traveling to like organize hair stuff or skincare or whatever. This one's for MAC. Can this be taken out? Yep. Perfect. Ooh, I love this one. Charlotte Tilbury makeup bag, and it has little sections in it. Oh my gosh. Charles just brought in more PR boxes that we got to open up.
Enough is enough. This is crazy because like the girl cosmetic space, like Sylvia gets all this PR. I might have to start doing makeup because no one's giving me any PR. I made a video begging I will be like the face of your brand and no one give me any PR.
He wants free shit so bad. Every time the door rings and it's a package, he's like, is it for me? And like 9 times out of 10, I feel so bad, but it's not for him. Let's see what we got. It's from Urban Decay. They're expanding their Face Bond line. They came out with 7 shades of these powder blushes and the OG setting spray we know and love. Packaging is so cute. So pretty. Next one. Huda Beauty. Oh my god, they always go off. They came out with an Easy Bake setting spray. Stop. I know that's gonna be so good. If it's anything like their setting powder. Look at this makeup case. And it's filled with product. Here she is. I love the spritz. It's just such a fine mist and love that it's fragrance free. I hate strong smelling stuff now. Oh yes, guys, this is literally the best foundation brush. I use and abuse mine. It's so good. Now I'm doing all the lip products and we're gonna organize the lip glosses and separate them from like the matte lipsticks. Giveaway. No, this is one of my favorite lip oils. Somehow it's leaking. We're salvaging her. No, these lip oils are just so good. They're not sticky at all. And the tint is like just enough color. Why do they always leak though? Now that we have all the lipsticks categorized, it's not that bad. And I'm really trying to be selective with what I'm keeping. Literally all I've been wearing lately is like a nice tinted lip oil. I am so over like the matte lipstick phase. So I'm giving a lot of it away. That's our giveaway bin right now full of lipsticks. Prada Beauty just launched in Canada too. This is a recent PR. So I'm excited to try those out. Love these Laneige products. This is supposed to be a plumping lip oil gloss from YSL. I'm so stoked about these. They literally look gorgeous. Huda Beauty glosses. Makeup by Mario lip balms. The YSL Candy Glaze lipsticks are so good. Super lightweight and such a sheer like tint of color, so I love these. And I'm gonna keep them in their packaging because I like to see what the name is on top rather than just have them like this, then they all literally look the same. These are all the lip products we're putting back into the collection. I'm gonna start by getting rid of some that I know are really old to make some space. These MAC ones, I guarantee you, are like 10 years old, which is kind of crazy. These Kylie ones are super old too, but they're kind of iconic. I don't know if I want to get rid of them. These KKW Beauty ones just look expired. Now we have the high-end lipsticks. Let's see what we can get rid of. Sorry, Rem Beauty. I don't think I'll ever wear this. The packaging is kind of cool though. Oh my god, remember these glitter lipsticks? It's literally just a glue stick and some powder glitter that you put on top, and we were all eating it up. Now I'm gonna separate the blushes and organize them by liquid blushes and powder blushes. Organized by brand. Now I'll just take away the shades that I don't see myself wearing. And then this is what we'll put away. Cream blush drawer, powder blush drawer. Let's see what we can get rid of. These Ofra blushes are really old and I don't really like the formula. Those can go. Now we can put away our new goodies. Lashes are done. We'll do lashes next because I don't have very many to put away. Now we have our powders. I have a lot of doubles of the Huda Beauty Easy Bake, so I will be giving a bunch of these away. This is my favorite setting powder though. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cherry blossom setting powders. That is insane. So I'm gonna keep one and we'll give the rest away. Keeping, giving away. The way my back is on fire right now. My loose powders. Then we have our press setting powders. There we go. Next we'll do liquid highlights. This is the highlight that looks like a petri dish. That gives me the heebie-jeebies. To be put back in the collection, to be given away. My cream blush drawer is surprisingly sparse. So this is all skincare and like lotions, shampoos, body stuff. We're gonna organize by product.
Bruh.
What?
That's a lot.
Yeah. So we're gonna do serums, lotions, eyes.
I might keep this.
Fast, sure. This IKEA tower is where I keep all of my skincare, hair stuff, and body stuff. I organize by category. Now let's put it away. We'll start with the eye creams and the lip stuff. My skincare, I'm really picky with what I keep because it goes bad really quickly. Makeup, on the other hand, I definitely am a little bit more risky with that. Like, I will use an eyeshadow palette that I've had for a few years. I don't really care. And I honestly don't have issues with it. Like, I know you shouldn't. And I don't recommend it, but come on, like, who's really listening to those expiry dates? Skincare though, I do think you should listen to it. Let's do the serums. A lot of the stuff that I'm keeping also is not just for me. Like, I still know I won't be able to go through all of this. Whenever my family and friends come over, I just like have them go through the drawers and pick whatever they need. I've been loving this Vino Perfect. I've been going through it so quickly too. This would be so nice when I need some extra calming. Definitely in the summertime when I have more like sunburns and stuff like that. I like using a green serum then. I'm recovering from a lot of breakouts. I'll insert an brightening serum into my routine. I tan the rest of my body. My face never gets tan, so I will be putting this to use. There we go. This drawer is for face masks and exfoliators, some peeling pads, salicylic acid, micro peeling, and some face masks. Moisturizers and SPFs. This drawer will do our toners. This drawer will do our cleansers. This drawer is for everything body related. We have some cleansers, exfoliating, lotion, tanning, and then some fragrances. So it's kind of a little bit of everything. Put our Drunk Elephant body lotions in there. Rare Beauty lotions. This is my favorite scent for every single day. I use the lotions, I use the body mist because it's like the only thing that doesn't give me a headache for everyday wear. I love it so much, and Charles loves the way it smells too. This is the newer scent. This one I don't mind either, but I do find it a bit stronger. So there's like a time and place that I'll wear this one. I have some extra deodorants. Body oil. That drawer is heavy. The last drawer is where I keep the hair stuff. Our Drunk Elephant shampoo and conditioners. The tower is all done. We put away so much stuff. Prince is hungry. I'm taking a break. It's crazy how time consuming this really is. Like, I did not think it was gonna take me this long because I haven't stopped either. Like, I've been pretty decisive with what I'm getting rid of and what I'm keeping. Like, I've been moving. I'm proud of myself because usually I'm very indecisive, and it's been like 2 hours already. Why did I let it get this bad? We're back from the food break. We're taking a quick TikTok making break. Charles is making me do the most ridiculous TikTok trend I've ever seen. I don't even know what I'm doing.
All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna hit you, then you're gonna yeah.
Oh wait, who's in it?
No, no.
It's first. Is that good? Is that what you wanted?
That's what it is.
I was so tempted to just fall into a food coma after eating and just save this for another day, but I'm persevering. We got this. We honestly don't have that much left. Now that everything's categorized, it's just about putting it away. But then I also want to like clean the floors and vacuum and stuff because there's a lot of dust everywhere. Next we have our setting sprays. I'm gonna actually get rid of a bunch of these because they're probably bad. Primers. So I have the body makeup in this back corner, body glows in this back corner, primers, more primers. There we go. This is taking way longer than I thought. Let's hurry things along. Now let's pack some giveaway boxes. These are the only two that I have like the same size of. We're gonna fill them both up to the max with some good goodies, and I'm gonna try and keep them kind of equal. We're gonna start off with some NARS palettes, 1 perfume each, Cherry Blossom, Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow, Urban Decay setting spray, 2 Rare Beauty highlighters, Huda Beauty liquid blushes, 2 lip liners, these Too Faced Dazzle eyeshadows, these Huda Beauty lip kits, the new Makeup Forever Super Boost lip glosses, a mascara each, and I am going to take these ones out of the packaging so it can fit more stuff in here. Petrus it in here. 2 more lip kits, Makeup Forever lipsticks, these Makeup Forever blushes, and the NARS Sensual Shine lipstick. All right, they're pretty packed. If you want a chance to win one of these, go to my TikTok, make sure you're following me, and comment your TikTok username on this video because I'll be DMing the winner on there. That's disgusting. That needed to be cleaned so bad. Now for the vanity. finally done. I can actually see the floor now. It feels so good. Now I feel like I can come in here and actually breathe and feel good. And I'm ready to start playing with makeup again. I got rid of so much old makeup that just was going bad. We donated a lot, we're giving away a lot. Up here I'm gonna keep new PR so I can make sure that I'm using it and trying it out. My desks are both clean and tidy. I do need to replace these bulbs though. I still need to clean my makeup brushes and organize my closet, but this was a great start and it was a lot of work for one day. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.